Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetrainingvideos.com. It's 8:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday, April 22nd. It's hard to believe the week is winding up already. So the S&P 500 ETF, bit of a gap up this morning pre-market, but now has sold off, completely filling that gap, and is actually lower than where we closed yesterday. So now we're looking at a down gap if we were to open right here at 119.85. And that's also below our 120 mark that we have been watching carefully. It makes sense to me actually. I see a consolidation through here, but that is now a very, very nice gap fill from something that had remained unfilled over the last couple of days. Looking at that daily chart, if you remember, I can zoom in nicely here. We had popped back up into this area and looking for a consolidation right at resistance, and it looks like we were going to get that. Now it's looking maybe the opposite. So we will see if we can stay up in this range. Anything above 119, I'm still going to say is that would be a really nice consolidation area on a higher time frame, but something we need to take note of. If I remove the pre and post market data here, you can see that we're starting to chip away just a little bit at this great area of support right through here, and that was that unfilled gap area. So I would have liked to have seen this hold if I was bullish through that. Did bounce nicely on the 200 MA, big red, and now we're gapping down pre-market right before all that, below everything. So watch this gap fill. Watch the 119.50/119.70 area for support. Also the round number 119. And then these swing lows down in here. 118.50 is a good one as well. On the way up, we already know where we are there. It's a good one. Good resistance at an unfilled gap. Swing high. There's another little bit of resistance right through here, and especially the symmetrical triangle failure at the 50 MA. So there's a few of them on the way up, stair-stepping up, of course, and then the 121.50, and that's it. There's a lot to listen to this morning, but even with some more good earnings, we're seeing a bit of a sell-off. Just like before, that can signal a bit of a crack in the matrix here. So again, not at all surprising that we should see a pullback in this resistance, and even on a higher time frame, like I've said so many times before, we just need some time to work through this overhead resistance, it looks like. So I would like to see it chop around right through here. Anything above 119, again, I'm going to hold as being very, very nice high base potential. So good stuff, everybody. Hope you have a great trading day, and I'll be with you around noon as always to see how things are shaping up.